Hello guys, саламатсыздар ма? Сәлем достар. So the second lesson of Kazakh language. So by the way, in my teaching in this language, in these lessons, I'll use this book. You can find from internet. It's one of the best book. It's good for learning Kazakh language. So let's get started then. Before starting grammar rules, you have to learn some words, yeah? Therefore, today and the next lessons, you will learn some words. In my previous lesson, you have learned all 32 letters, and today we will repeat also letters, and you will learn some words. So the first one, a. For example, alma. Alma, it means an apple. Next, e. The second, e. So eki. It means father. Eki. So bala. Child. D. Den. Grain. Ye. For example, yel. Country. F. Fabrica. Factory. Fabrica. G. Gazette. Newspaper. It means. So next, r. Gılım. Science, knowledge. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.